How to connect Polk Subwoofer to receiver. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily connect your Polk Subwoofer to a receiver using the best method for clean and powerful bass in your home theater setup. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate the subwoofer output on the receiver. First, take a look at the back of your AV receiver. Find the port labeled the sub-out or LFE out. It's usually a single RCA output. Step 2. Connect the RCA subwoofer cable. Now, grab an RCA subwoofer cable and connect one end to the sub-out on your receiver. Connect the other end to the LFE in or line in port on your Polk subwoofer. Step 3. Power on the subwoofer. Plug in the subwoofer's power cable and turn it on. Make sure the power switch is set to auto or on. Step 4. Set the subwoofer controls. Set the volume or gain knob to around 50% to start. Set the low pass filter to the highest setting or switch it to LFE or bypass mode if available. For phase, try 0 first, then test the 180 to see which sounds better in your room. Step 5. Receiver setup. On your AV receiver setup menu, make sure the subwoofer is enabled and set the crossover frequency between 80 Hz and 120 Hz, depending on your main speakers. Step 6. Test the system. Play some bass heavy music or a movie trailer to test. Adjust the volume and phase as needed until the bass blends smoothly with your main speakers. And that's it. This was a quick tutorial on how to connect your Polk subwoofer to receiver for the best bass performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.